What's up, y'all? We are back for another video. Today I will be showing y'all how I do my junk bling nail. I did say in the last tutorial that I was going to show y'all how I do my junk bling nails. If you want to see the tutorial for this full look, I do have that video posted as well. But for the junk bling nail, I'm going to be doing it on a press-on nail, and of course you need some bling. And for the press-on nails, I'm just going to be using a press-on base stand. I think I'm saying that right. I don't even know if that's what it's called, y'all. But it's the thing that you use to sit the press-on nails on while you're preparing them. And I am going to start off with a color white. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I really want to show y'all how this junk bling nail just could bring any look together. No matter how basic or plain your set is, if it's all white or all black, put one of those junk bling nails in and it'll just like take your set from basic to poppin'. At least I think so. So for the junk bling nail, the main thing is that you want to mix up different kinds of crystals. So you want to get some large ones, some odd shaped ones, and then some that are just like bright colored. And then you want to just make sure you have that good mixture. All of those crystals I did get from Amazon, and I will put the links down below. I will be using my Mia Secret Gel Resin to coat the full nail with so that I can go ahead and place the stones on. This is going to be my wax crystal holder. My wax crystal pencil, and then I have tweezers. Y'all don't judge my crystal pencil. My wax pencil. I know it is ugly. I done had it since I first started doing nails, and that's what you get after acrylic getting stuck to it and everything. But so I'm just going to start by placing some of the bigger crystals first. When doing the full bling junk nail, I like to start with the big crystals first because I feel like it gives me direction and it helps me to build out to the rest of the nail, where I can go ahead and start putting in some of those smaller crystals. For the most part, you know, with the bling junk nail, since you're using different size crystals and things like that, to ensure that you have an opportunity to get some of those larger crystals in there, it just makes sense for me to put them on first, just so that, you know, I don't get to the end and when I want to go ahead and put in some of those larger crystals, I don't have space. So that's why I put them on first, so that I can ensure that they get their own little spot. As you can see, I am just like building out now with some of the round crystals. I started off with my large ones, some odd shaped ones, and then I'm just going to start putting the small ones in between. You guys, I'm also using some color crystals. The thing that I love about the junk nail is that, you know, no matter what kind of crystals you have, it'll allow you to put like some of those crystals to use. I know that I have some crystals that I barely ever use just because I don't really do that many sets that would like be in that color that of the crystals that I have. Specifically like that large crystal that I put on first, like I just never really do sets that really call for those kind of crystals. I haven't as of lately, but basically it's allowing me to use them so that my money don't go to waste. But yeah, that's the thing I love about the junk nails, that allows you to use crystals that you don't really be using like that, you know, like maybe the crystal colors that people don't really ask for. It allows you to use those. You guys, you see, I'm just placing these smaller crystals around the edge as well. I feel like that helps with the balance when you put some of the smaller, tinier crystals around the edge of the nail. Y'all, look at my ugly nail pencil. Don't judge me, y'all. That pencil done had so much acrylic stuck to it from when I first started doing acrylic, and y'all, I just was all over the place with acrylic. That's why I look like that. That's coming from cutting off acrylic off of the tip and, you know, not knowing how to do the crystal application correctly in the beginning and glue getting stuck to it. Y'all, that pencil looked like it done been through World War II and back. It's fairly simple. The main thing is you just want to start off with your bigger crystals and the ones that are oddly shaped, and then you want to build out. And then of course, like, you can add on some like other odd shape or bigger crystals as you get towards the middle or the end. But basically, you don't want to start off, all over the place. You want to center your large crystals and the ones that are like, special shaped in a certain direction, and then build out from there. And then that'll help just create like a guide for you as of where you're going. And there you have it. Here is our full bling junk nail. I love it, y'all. I love doing these nails so much. They just bring looks together. And then you're going to spray it with the gel resin activator from Secret. You gotta spray it with this if you're going to use some of those larger crystals, because those can fall off a little bit easier with like everyday wear and tear. And I never have a problem with my crystals falling off when I use that. And I hope I don't start having a problem now that I done said that. But as you guys can see, this looks so nice next to the rest of the white nails. I just love it so much. Go ahead and add this in if you just like don't know like what idea you can incorporate to make the nails pop. Y'all, let me tell y'all, this junk nail crystal just makes sets look so poppin'. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please drop a comment down below and let me know what you think. And until next time, y'all.